Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on your HP 255. To enable it, you have to either press the combination of Windows, Control and O keys simultaneously, which will open you this kind of on-screen keyboard that you can use anywhere. It also has the numpad. You can resize, reshape it and move it on your screen. Alternatively, you can also open it by going to Start, Settings. In Settings we have to select Accessibility. In Accessibility we have to go to Keyboard and enable the on-screen keyboard by switching this toggle on. But if you don't want to use the shortcut, or if you don't go to Settings each time you want to open the keyboard, you can go to Personalization, you can go to Taskbar and change value next to Touch Keyboard from when no keyboard attached to always. And this will make this tiny keyboard appear on your taskbar. If you click on it, it will open this keyboard on your screen, which doesn't have a numpad, but it's pretty useful in case you need to type something on your screen, and it's available all the time on your taskbar. You can close it and open it. You cannot resize it, but it's also a pretty useful tool. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.